which mini brands we can get inside. So right here we have some already. So thank you so much, Zero, for sending me this package for free. It's super cool, and they sent me a whole box of them. So we're gonna be opening a couple today, but on my TikTok and Instagram, we're gonna be opening more. So make sure to go check them out. They're mini Toyland, so make sure to go check them out. So now let's open one of the brand new Series 2 mini brands. So let's open this one. So right here it has Series 2 mini brands, and they're unboxed, all new mini brands. So, ooh, 70 plus mini brands to collect. I wonder if we're gonna get all of them here. So let's open it up. I really love mini brand Series 1 because I just love the unboxing, how you can get like the tiny shopping cart. So let's find the other zipper. Here comes our golden orange. So let's open this one first. Okay, with a hole. See, what do we get? Ooh, we got nothing. On to the next one. Oh, looks like we have our collector guide right here. Let's see what else. So we have
1,000 items.
Ooh, this must have a lot of items in it. So let's check the checklist. Whoa, gold ones. We need to find the glow-in-the-dark one because we love everything glow-in-the-dark. So here's our first area. So we have the super rares, and then glow-in-the-dark is a rare. Ooh, almond milk. And then we have rares, and these are kind of like glittery. Then we have these over here. Oops. So here are all the ones. I kind of want to get the I just seen mac and cheese unicorns. I love unicorns. I have to get it. Look, do you see the tiny mac and cheese unicorns? So here's our second one. And then we have the, ooh, there's bags now. Shopping carts. And there's many different ones. So, on to the next one. These are super fun. We have pepper flakes. On to the next one. Ooh, we got almonds. Oh, this is our last one. Ooh, something green. We have relish. that sounds funny. Relish. Okay, let's do our next mini brand. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, now we just take this off. This is our second one. So let's open this first. Whoa! We have fries. They're in this really adorable bag. Next one. We have some soup.
Chicken stock.
Mm. Let's open this one. Woo! It fell. Oh, we got another almond. Let's put it right here. So all the doubles we got, we're gonna put them right when oh wait, this is a different one actually. I thought it was this one, but it wasn't. So this is...
Oh, Italian.
This?
Spicy Italian.
Ooh, I love everything spicy. Okay, so now let's do our last one. This one was the hard one, so we're gonna get our scissors. Okay, so now open it up. We got organic thyme. So now let's go on to our second one. I mean our third one. Okay, let's open this one. This one seems pretty big. Whoa.
Oh, pure vanilla.
I love vanilla. This is probably like dye. Yep.
No, it's extract.
Oh. We got 57 sauce. Now on to our next one. Yes, almond milk, but this is chocolate. Wait, this is glow in the dark. This is a glow in the
Oh my
dark
goodness,
one.
we have to try it out.
I just noticed it's glow in the dark. Eek. This one's not the glow in the dark one. I just checked, but maybe we find it in this one. Wait, there's one more here. Silly me. Oh, we got another relish. Let's put it over here for now. See, one more. Whoa, what's this? It's an A1 original sauce. Okay, on to our next one. Hopefully a glow in the dark one, the ultra rare one, the gold ones, I mean, or maybe a shiny one. Ooh, we have some more almonds. This one's a different one.
Oh, smokehouse ones.
Ooh. Plop. A whole tower of almonds. Yes! We got
Ooh,
a
Miracle
rare
Whip.
one.
Miracle Whip.
We got a rare one, yes! It's not an ultra rare or that, but it's still rare. We're looking for one of those. Okay, let's open more. Whoa, we got French
Onions.
Ooh, onions.
French onions.
French onions. Mm. Ooh, we got another.
Time again?
Yep, another one. Maybe we can stack this. Okay. Last one.
Oh, what is that?
It's super thin.
Oh, it's caramels.
Yes, caramels. This is so small. Look at. Let's see. We should open this one.
Okay.
Wait, we gotta shake it. Please. Please be super rare. Please. Please be glow in the dark. Or unicorn mac and cheese. Okay, let's open it up. Let's open this one. Ooh. We have, oops, some,
Crystallite.
so like lemon juice?
Lemonade.
Ooh, lemonade. I love lemonade a lot. Ever since I was little, I always,
We have another one?
another one!
Wow, another one.
We got another rare. Block.
We could probably trade it.
Yep.
Mhm.
Ooh, we got Kool-Aid. Yes, Cool Whip. We always put our strawberries, like we buy this and then get strawberries. Okay. Oh, we have another caramel. We have another caramel. So yep, that's all of them. So we still haven't found accessory or the glow in the dark or a super rare. Do you think we should open another one?
Yeah,
Or
I think so.
Yeah, we should open this one and then probably leave.
Maybe we should open two more.
We really want the glow in the dark because we really love glow in the dark stuff. Like it's like super cool. Reminds us of Halloween, right?
Mhm.
And my mom's favorite holiday is Halloween.
Yes.
Okay, so now let's open it up. Ooh, we got this. This is called Nothing. Let's put it over here. Ooh, what's this? We got,
Is it barbecue sauce?
I think it's barbecue sauce. Yep, it says barbecue sauce right here.
Okay.
Super tiny. Let's open this one.
Another A1.
Yep, another A1. These are like super tall. See what's it say? Oh.
Oh, taco seasoning.
I love tacos. Okay, let's see. So this is shells and cheese. Yeah. Our last one. Okay, let's open this one now, and then we'll probably leave the left of these.
Maybe this one and one more.
We can all say like, okay, we'll open this much. Nah, we'll open this much instead. Time to open it up. Block, block, block. Whoa, this is the same as this one, but not rare. have cheese. Shredded cheese. Ooh, we have another shells and cheese. Why are we getting cheese? Cheese, 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 cheese. Next one. We have red beans and rice. What? Oh, okay. Last one. Come on, please. Oh, please. Please. We have another crispy fried onions. Okay, so now let's open it up from the tear strip. So now let's open it. Oh no, this one fell. Let's open this one first. We got
Paprika.
ooh, this must be like a spicy, or maybe not. Okay, let's open this one up. We got almond milk.
Is that one the glow in the dark?
No, because I know how the. Yep, this one does not. We already have this one. The glow in the dark one has like white around here, a triangle of white.
Okay.
Ooh, this one fell. We got
Stovetop chicken.
chicken. I love chicken. We have another French crispy fried
Onion.
onions. Onions. See what this one is?
Oh,
Ooh,
ketchup.
ketchup. Our first ketchup. Let me guess, you really want a gold one or, you know, the glow in the dark one?
Maybe.
Okay, let's open this one up. Let's see what we have in here. So we have another zesty. Okay, let's open this one up. And we got another vanilla. Okay, next one. We got another Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Let's see. Ooh, this one's a new one. There's a coffee.
Wow.
Maxwell House. Ooh, and we have another one of these. And not a rare. Okay. So, actually, we're going to be opening the whole top area. So, here you go. Let's open it up. Okay, first this one. Ooh, we got another Maxwell House coffee. Put that right here. And we got another packet of fries. I'll try next one. We got a super rare.
Oh my goodness.
It's gold. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, we got the mustard.
Yay.
Wow,
This
that's
one-
our first gold.
Yay.
We didn't even get one in series 1. Oh my goodness.
The king.
Wow.
And wow, that's like super cool. Next thing you know, we're gonna find the glow in the dark. So we have another 57 sauce. Okay, so that, ooh, this one right here. So we have another original
Time.
Okay. I can't
Wow,
believe we
I
actually
can't
got
believe
that
it.
one. We're hoping for one. Okay, let's open this one now. So now let's open it. So we have another chicken stock. Let's see what's here. Oh no, we got another Villena extract. And we got some more cheese. Cheese. Come on. Hopefully this one is the unicorn one. Yes! We got red hot. Come on, where's that chicken? Where did I put that chicken at? Oh no, this one fell. Oh wait, no, that's not one of the mini brands. So we got another A1.
Okay, so here goes our last one.
Last one. Come on, please be glow in the dark. Okay, now let's open it. Okay, let's open this one right here. So we got another shells with cheese. So we got another ketchup. No. Well, we keep getting this original thyme. Okay. And now this one. Whoa!
Old Bay.
Old Bay. Last one.
Do you think that's glow in the dark?
Let's see the front. Oh, no. No, but we'll keep trying. So make sure to go into our Instagram, TikTok to see us open this one. We might get the glow in the dark or another gold. Bye, everyone.